leaderboard on that new Groups Open incentive. Now, not stopping there with training, because we have an army of field trainers and we are continuing that process in 2026. We're going to continue with the Field Training Academy calls that happen every Tuesday night. We're going to host 2 every Tuesday, one 6 p.m. Eastern and the second 6 p.m. on the Pacific time coast, or time zone, I should say. And we are there to support you in your training needs. So once again, we will continue with that process. And for the first time, if you're interested in really knowing what is the field training program about, how does the field training program work, you can go into Ellis Engage, to the resources, to the training tab. And in that training tab, there is a field training guideline and checklist there for you, so you can learn all the wonderful things and all the things that you can get support with in the field training process. And then lastly, I want to make sure that you join us Monday mornings at 10 a.m. Central on let'schatsmallbiz.com. We do the group scoop. It's 1 hour updates, promotions, information, and training. You don't want to miss it. If you miss it, you miss a lot. And we will continue to then educate you on the training process. We'll go ahead and also dive deep into the incentives for you so that you understand the incentives. And also, of course, give you continual education, continual training. So once again, family, Happy New Year. Look forward to working with you.